track 39.
Hi, I'm Caleb, and I am from Sydney in Australia. On Tuesdays and Fridays, I have piano lessons in the morning. On Monday evenings, I play football with my friends. In the evening, I read or watch TV.
Hello, my name's Tohomi, and I'm Japanese. I have lunch and dinner at home with my parents. I talk to my parents while we eat. We talk about school and work. After lunch, I usually have a nap. Hi friends, I'm Karima and I'm French, from Paris. I love weekends because it's my free time. I get up late, but I help my mom at home. I go to the cinema, visit my grandparents, or go out with friends.
Hello, my name's Bruno. I'm from Argentina. Afternoons are great here. I study English at 2 p.m. Then I play chess at 4 p.m. Later, I do homework after 6 p.m. In the evening, I watch the news and go to bed very early.